stacked together. But DoorDash, they got some type of agreement going on with McDonald's and Chick-fil-A to where if you pick up a Chick-fil-A order on DoorDash or you pick up a McDonald's order on DoorDash, you won't get a stack. That's gonna be your only order that you do for that offer, if that makes sense, because they got some type of agreement where they won't even stack that shit together. It's crazy. Only in select markets when you see a stack coming out of McDonald's or Chick-fil-A. Now what is they doing? They don't know how to drive. I can't have that. They gotta move out my way. They got to move. Make sure you hit that like button on the way in or on the way out. I know some of y'all been rocking with us for the whole 4 hours. And look, I get it. You got shit to do. You might have to go home, check on the dog. Look, I get it. You gotta swipe off this live stream. Do me one solid. Just hit that like button. I've been entertaining y'all. I've been showing y'all the proper way to hit that decline button, because it's the right way and the wrong way. I've been showing y'all the right way to do it, you know. And I've been showing y'all that you don't gotta be scared of DoorDash. I know a lot of y'all out there scared to hit that decline button. You ain't gotta be scared. We gonna do it together again. I'm gonna do it together so that you can feel comfortable doing it by yourself, okay? We gonna decline orders together so that when you in the car by yourself, you can feel comfortable declining them by yourself. That's my goal, okay? Because I know a lot of y'all out there is scared to hit that decline button. Look, they make it red. They pop up a message, say, hey, what you doing? Hey. They scare you. I get it. Don't worry about none of that. I'm going to walk you through the whole process. We going to hit that decline button. We don't care what they say, because I'm here to teach you that you don't got to worry about none of that. All you got to worry about, how many dollars going in my bank account, how many miles am I driving, and how much headache is these merchants and these customers going to give me, and how much can I take today? That's all you got to worry about. Look at this. What's this? Look at this. That's a headache. We're not dealing with no headache orders. Look, that's a headache. We not having that. Skirt right up out of here. Hold on. We're going to hit that decline button together, because what you got to realize, the team effort. Bow. We do that together. We at 2470. Let's get it. Come on now. Hit that like button, man. I'm trying to teach y'all how to make this money and how to not lose your mind at the same time. It's different if you're at the restaurant and have to drive 4.5 miles away, but if you're 3 miles away from the restaurant and you headed there anyway, only makes sense to take it and deliver it 1 mile away. I couldn't have said it better myself. Thank you. This is my area that I work in. The area we just came from, that's not where I be at. We was over there, but that's not where I be at. So this order is a perfect order, because I already needed to come back over here. If you've been here since the beginning, you know that we was up here at Taco Bell earlier. We picked up an order. You saw me go in. This is where we need to be at over here, guys. So this order kind of really saved the day. And if you a dumbass dasher out there, you know, you kind of needed to see that, because you can see when and when not to take those orders. They didn't send that order to somebody that's already over here, because if they sent that to somebody that's already over here, it would have said $5 for 1 mile. That's too good. They don't want it to be that good. So they sent it to me, because they thought that I wasn't coming this way. They wanted to make it a bad order. But guess what? I got one over on them, because they didn't know I already needed to come back this way. So I got their ass. I may not get them like that every time. They may get me next time. Shit, they got me earlier. They had me delivering flowers for no tip. But that's how it is sometimes. You know, sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some. I lost earlier on the no-tip offer, but I won on this one, because this one going right down the street, put me right where I need to be. This about to be 2 orders right here, and I basically have drove nowhere. But all them other orders that I sat there and declined on DoorDash was going 10 miles away. With add-ons, mind you, with add-ons. So look, I would much rather do this quick little McDonald's run over there, and then do this quick little McDonald's run over here, make $9, and I've only driven a total of 4 miles. But if I would have took any one of those other orders, any one of them, I would have been driving 10 miles away for this same $9 to make. I made the same $9 in these 2 McDonald's runs that I would have made taking a 10-mile run on DoorDash. First time ride along, thanks for being here. Good time. Hit that like button and that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I do more ride alongs, and I drop daily content. Check out my channel. I got a whole catalog of videos. I got over 1,000 videos on my YouTube channel, all gig economy content. So if you're trying to learn how to make that money, and you don't want it to be boring as fuck,